bitch, that's a freak hoe. Threw the ball, that's a free throw. 64 Nintendo, shoot a nigga extendo. It's a trap, not the bendo. Boom, 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 bam. Yeah, they coming. What? Yeah, nigga, now they dumping. Now I'm tryna get this money. Now she fucking this stomach. Nigga living all on me. Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy Tay. Back with another YouTube vlog video. It's 4th of July. As you can see, I'm in heavy traffic right now. I'm trying to catch the firework downtown. It started at 9:30. It is 9:19 at the moment as we speak. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can get the fireworks. Hopefully I can get out of this traffic in time. You know, hopefully everything go well. The traffic moving pretty slow. I'm doing what it sound my dad's 6 miles per hour right now. I'm going slow as hell. Yeah, so man, if you new to this YouTube channel, man, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, man. Hit that notification button, man. You know this vlog, just my journey. Just my journey, man. My journey in life, the growth, the wealth, the pain, the struggles, the ups, the downs, So yeah, so we is in traffic, real bad. Supposed to meet a couple of friends down here. I don't know. I think they're gonna dance tonight. I don't know. I think we're gonna dance. But how it's looking right now, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Cause traffic is real heavy right now. Real heavy. I feel like I'm in New York City. I feel like I'm in Atlanta. I feel like I'm in Houston, Texas. Traffic is real bad in Nashville, Tennessee now, man. It's getting bad because a lot of people moving here. Man. I'm trying to get some fireworks, man, up in the sky. Hold on, y'all. Excuse my windshield. Yeah. Excuse me. I need to clean. Oh, them boys. Damn. I'm in traffic like a mud, y'all. My mirrors don't, I ain't cleaned my car in about like a week. I need to clean it, so don't talk about my car, man. Don't talk about it. I work hard for this car. You know what I'm saying? Everything it's like the old model. You know what I'm saying? Like the old model. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to give y'all some firecrackers. So I'm trying to give y'all some firecrackers. Good that I got the drop top. But yeah, oh shit. But yeah, we're gonna try to find a spot, man. We're gonna try to find a spot. It's kind of hard right now. I should have been left out early. I knew that was gonna happen. I ain't got my seatbelt on, if y'all can hear the noise. I'm trying to figure out where I'm trying to go. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, they got the road blocked off. No wonder. And I'm on the wrong side. That's why. So they got the road blocked off. So what I'm about to do, I'm finna turn around or go all the way around and see if I can get in there, cause it's finna start. So I'm gonna try to get it, y'all. I'm gonna try. Y'all hear? Y'all hear, y'all? I I'm finna park. I'm finna park. I'm finna park right now, though. I'm trying to catch it. I'm finna park real quick. I'm finna park real quick somewhere. I'm trying to get it, y'all. I'm trying to catch up too. Damn, I ain't even pay for my parking ticket. Oh, damn, I feel like I was shy. I'm hit. Shit, I'm trying to get it, y'all. Oh, damn. What you like? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I gotta get there. Oh, good, y'all. Close this shit. I'm gonna get close. Police out here and shit. Got me running. I do this for y'all though. I ain't tired. I'm trying to get close as possible. I really want to go on the rooftop, but I can't find nothing. They ain't over yet. They finna start again. They finna start back up again. Oh, there it is. This shit. Oh shit. All these people out here. That's how Nashville is. Oh shit. What the hell? They got that in the sky. I caught it. I'm trying to get up higher, y'all. Oh, they did something new this year. That's hard. That's hard. Look at this shit. Nashville coming up for real. Nashville coming up for real. I'm trying that damn lazy. People on the ground out there. This new. This shit hard. I ain't never been on this side. I'm always on the other side of the bridge. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? That shit crazy. Damn, amazing. They doing some shit for real now. That shit crazy. It's a lot of people. I get my ass on the bridge. I wish I get on the bridge. So many damn people. I got something. It's in the y'all see that in the sky in the background. I know what that is. I'm calling the garage though. Take my ass. People on the ground and shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? What the hell is that? Oh, they going crazy. Nashville, man. That's hard. God damn, look at all these people. Star Wars up in here. I can't. I'm gonna go back on the other side. I wish I was right here. Look at all this shit is in the sky. Look at the trees in the way. me for some money. She thought I was bumming. She talking like a different subject. She making all these different subjects.